Hi, I'm Dr. Diana. This is the Nest Pediatric Dentistry. Come on in. This is where we greet our patients. This is our reception area. Our little friends love to run around in here. It's a big space. The ceiling height is 15 feet at its peak. You won't wait long, and when it's your turn, come on through the little door. This is our family room. We have space to see patients that are siblings together. We have 3 chairs that can also be separated into 2 chairs on one side and 1 on the other into separate rooms. We have Disney Plus on every screen above every chair that the kids absolutely love. This is our x-ray area. Getting x-rays can be the tricky part of going to the dentist for kids and adults, so our team knows how to make it as comfortable and easy as possible. This is our sterilization area. This is one of the most important areas of our office. We bring every instrument here to be decontaminated and sterilized, and there's a very specific workflow with double and triple checks to make sure everything is clean and safe. This is one of our private rooms, which we have for little ones, consultations, and treatment visits. We offer laughing gas and sedation options and take our time to get to know your child to offer them what would be best. This room we save for our littlest patients. We have infants and toddlers in here so that they can run around and play while we get to chat about brushing and diet and help prevent cavities. This is also the room that we use for our infants who require laser treatment for lip and tongue ties. Our patients don't usually get to see this part of the office, but shh, come with me, I'll show you. This is my office. This is where I run my small business, which is the Nest. This is our kitchen. This is where our team eats lunch and where we sneak sips of coffee between our patients. This is where our patients come check out, right this way. So that's it. Thanks for visiting the Nest Pediatric Dentistry. Now get out of here.